Hello everyone and welcome back to the Linux tutorial. So on the last video we mainly saw how to create a directory in Linux, and we also created a directory named mydir. But let us also go ahead and learn how to delete a directory in Linux. So the command to delete a directory is del dir and then the directory name. So we are going to delete the directory named mydir and then press enter. Command not found. So let me go for the right command. So instead of del, try rm dir mydir. Perfect. Now let us verify whether the directory has been removed or not. Here your my directory is actually not displayed here. So the command to remove a directory or delete a directory is rmdir. So now let us learn some of the other very useful commands in Linux. So before that, let us also create a different directory. So this time we'll create a directory by naming temp. So I just have a directory naming temp. Let us also move on to the directory. Let us check the path. Now you are inside jobby temp. Just give ls command to list the files over there. The directory is completely empty. Now as a first step, let us just create a small file in Linux. So in order to create a file or a text in Linux, we can use this command called vi. I'm just going to create a file in my name jobby.text. So this is a command to create a file or modify a file. You can use vi and then hit on enter. You got the space to enter. And now by default you don't have the right permission. So to just insert something on this file, just hit on I on your keypad and you will get the status changed to insert. So when you have this insert print here, that means you can enter something here. So just name it like my first Linux file. So I'm done with my file. So now I need to just get out of this insert mode. So all I need to do is just hit on the enter. So that has been disappeared. So then press on shift :, and then WQ and then exclamation. So this is the command, or this is the command to write and quit. So W stands for write and Q stands for quit. So by putting : WQ exclamation, you will save this content and then exit. Perfect. Now let us give ls command and check. Yes, perfect. You have this file named jobby.text. Now in case if you want to see the content of this file, just give this command cat. That is another command to just display the content of the file. Let me give the file no such file or directory. So you must make sure that you give the full, you give the extension also along with the file. So let us give .txt as well, my first Linux file. So here we learned that we can use the vi command to create a file in Linux, and when you enter into the file, you will press on I to insert some text into that file, and then when you want to come out of the file, you will use : WQ exclamation. And then if you just want to display the content of it, you can just use cat command and along with your file name. So let us try to open this file once more. This time I'm just going to add one more line. So I'll have to enter the I, and the status has been changed to I. Going to the next line, I'm just going to add some junk test. So I'm hitting on press enter to disable the insert mode. This time I have some junk data on the second line, but I don't want to save this content. So what I need to do is just give full colon, and then instead of WQ just give Q. So that means quit without saving. So now let us repeat the cat command to just see what is being saved there. So your new line has not been saved. So let us perform the same thing just once more to see how to modify the current file. So I'm just going to add one more line here. Second line. I'm going to save it again. This time I'm going to use WQ exclamation. So let us check the file this time. Perfect, you got the line saved. So now you understand how to use vi command and enter some data or ignore some data, and also learned how to display the data by using the cat command. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this part of the lecture, please log into our Q&A session. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to see you on the next video. Thank you.